right, there we go. And just like that, you pull one pin and down comes the fan. This has got one extra wire in it, so I know that that will power the light and the fan. So we have two switches, and I actually know how the wiring is now that I've gotten, well, a 2-month tutorial on electrical. So let's put the new one up. Drill. Socket. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I said a few 4-letter words putting this fan together. It's got about 10,500 pieces, and we will update you later in the video. Next step.
Well, change in plans. You know, the bathroom that we're working on is there, and we decided that right here should be the bedroom, the guest bedroom. We were gonna have this the bourbon bar or bourbon room, and the next room the bedroom, but it makes so much more sense for proximity to the restroom. So we are about to embark on all kinds of insulation. What do you have to do, friend?
On the block wall, we're going to put styrofoam. On the ceiling, we've got rolls of insulation here. So, and then all around here is the 2x4 insulation. Just bought a 12-pack. I've never done that before. Well, I bought a 12-pack before, but not a 12-pack of insulation. So I think I know what I'm doing all evening, late night tonight. All right, here I took out the old light, turned the breaker off, cut that blocking out, and put in a new ceiling box.
Well, Magic Steve got it done. We're insulated, ready to roll with the drywall. Next stop. He worked until 9 p.m. last night. We have less than a week till we leave for our cruise, and we're just trying to hammer out as much as we can. No real reason we don't have to, but he wants to get as much done as we can, so here we go.
Well, here we are putting some finishing touches in the bathroom. Finally got the curtain rod. It came in black. Did a little shopping and found the shower curtain here. Me in the foreground there, I am putting together the brand new faucet set. You'll see it here in a minute. So Angela hangs up our new shower curtain. Really like it. The bathroom's really coming together. We also picked up a mirror, trying to find the straight and level and where the center is. Do we have any studs? All right, and the mirror is up. What do you think? And our final task of the evening is the towel holder.
Hey friends, this video is definitely all about the reveal. So let's show you reveal number 1, which is the living room. I'm still going to show you the dining room and kitchen later in the episode, but let me show you our living room. Here we go. She has been quite the work in progress. The fireplace was probably the most painful, however, definitely worth the wait. We absolutely love her. Beautiful. We're very, very happy with how it turned out. We still have some decorative things, of course, to do. Like, I only have 2 candles for my candelabras. You know, all takes time. It's a side view. They did an amazing, amazing job. It took forever, but I'm just thankful it's done. Keeping the house nice and toasty. You can actually enjoy the living room now. Still finding dust everywhere. Lots of cleaning, lots of sweeping and mopping. But it all just takes time. We're really happy and pleased with how it turned out. I still have a few decorative things I want to do. I'm a plant girl, so lots of plants to come in the future. But this is the living room in all her glory. Oh, got a peek at the kitchen. Tell me what you think. Let me know. Comment below. As you know, we've had all this wood out here from the kitchen that we tore apart. Steve's going to salvage as much as he can. He used to be really into woodworking, all about birdhouses and making all the things. And then he's thinking about trying to use it on one of the walls for the bourbon bar. So he is going through it now, removing nails, saving as much as he can. He's got his table saw out here, cutting pieces and transferring down below into storage for when it's time to move on. Let's go see what he's doing. So as you can see, the big pile of wood behind him, and he is covered in sawdust. Tell me what you're doing, friend.
That I am. We are taking all these kitchen cabinets that we broke down. We're breaking them down even further, trying to get rid of a bunch of these nails and into usable pieces for some wildlife around here. Maybe some bird houses. We have a lot of birds here, so I am excited to wrap this up, get it cleaned up, and get it in storage.
I'm not sure if we showed you the finished product of the fan and light for the living room. So there she is. We've been so busy this week, we have not had the time we normally like to film. So a lot of stuff didn't get filmed, but I wanted to show you this. It's now white. Looks a lot better. It matches all the blinds. So for all those of you commented, make sure I switch it to white. We agreed and we switched it to white, and we're going to use the black one downstairs somewhere. All right, now I think it's time to show you our dining room. Now again, some things aren't done. Steve put up the new light, and we don't have the correct, he wants to hide the cords, so we have to wait till we come back to do that. So it's kind of just hanging now, but it looks great. He did a fantastic job. We do have our dining room table and all that set up. So here is the big dining room reveal. Check her out. So this is the light that we had installed. Nope, this is the light that Steve installed. Let's see if I can turn the light off, make it easier to see. I think we ordered this one from Home Depot. If not, it was from Lowe's. But this is what we have so far. I don't know if we've ever told you how much of a coffee snob we are. Okay, so Steve is, not me. So he has quite the little coffee tea set up. So now you can see from the dining room into the living room. You know, now that we have it almost livable, it's time to leave. We knew that would happen. And I'll give you the other angle. Tell me your thoughts on the dining room. Whoops. Oops, try not to show you that kitchen yet. That comes later. Okay, so as far as the kitchen goes, it's not finished. We have all the cabinetry in and installed. The microwave is finally installed, which has the hood vent as well. And Steve finished all the trim all back up on the walls today. And he did all the trim along the floor of the cabinets. We do not yet have the dishwasher. More importantly, we do not have the countertop yet. They can't even get here for several weeks to even make the template. We had no idea when we ordered it that, oh, by the way, you're gonna be without a sink for a month. No bueno. So I'm doing dishes in the bathroom right now. So I'm gonna show you the kitchen next. Know that we still have our quartz countertop coming in and the dishwasher. Therefore, there's no decorating or anything going on in there because it's just a hot mess. Here we go. Kitchen is next. Okay, the last thing I want to show you for the big reveal is the kitchen. You can probably hear Steve. He's just out there working that table saw and breaking down that wood. So here it is. Remember, we do not have our countertops yet. No sink, no dishwasher. So let's check it out. So this is the new cabinetry. Microwave and oven and fridge, you know, are all new. Steve's been finishing up replacing the pieces we had to take down for the battens up there. And we're gonna have the quartz come out to about here, even with the edge of this side of the wall, and have a couple stools here. And you can see where the dishwasher will eventually go. And then, of course, the sink. I've been doing dishes in the bathroom. So much fun. Steve just installed this light. We're going to pick up 2 Edison bulbs. We only had 1 regular for that. And yes, we're definitely still going to change out all these gold outlets. There's still a bunch in the dining room and living room as well. And those will all be replaced in time. So you got to see the living room, the dining room, the kitchen. We may squeeze in a little bit more because can you believe we still don't have that bathroom? That has been actually the hardest project. So many things to do. Well, I hope you enjoyed the reveal. Let me know your thoughts on the kitchen, dining room, living room, all the things. Well, the next video will include our departure, heading for our cruise, and a little bit more renovation. It'll be a combo.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks to those that gave to Super Thanks and Buy Me a Coffee. You guys are amazing.
Remember, like, subscribe, comment, all the things.
And until next time,
bye friends.